Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete the wallpaper on your iPhone. Now if you want to delete the wallpaper on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to remove or change the wallpaper on your iPhone, then you need to open settings on the device. So after opening settings, you will see various options on the settings page. You need to scroll down until you see the option of wallpaper, or you may also simply start at the very top. Here is the option of wallpaper, so you need to click on it, and here you will need to click on the option of select or add a new wallpaper, and here you will see the number of option at the very top, and you will also see the suggested photos and all. So if you want to add the photos or people on your wallpaper, you may select from here, or you may also choose the features item from this page. Now I'll simply click the suggested photos icon. So let's say if I want to add this, I'll simply click add this and click on the option of add at the very top, right? So simply wait for it, and it also says that set as a wallpaper pair. So I'll click on the option of set as a wallpaper pair, or you may also customize a home screen, that is according to your choice. So by doing all of it, you will be able to set and choose the wallpaper for both of it. And if you want to remove the wallpaper from lock or home screen, you need to simply do it like this. You can't delete the wallpapers from your iPhone. That's the only way you can change the wallpaper. So that's it. That's how you can delete the wallpaper from your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.